Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out the EUHOMY 12V refrigerator, a 19-quart portable electric cooler that's perfect for camping, road trips, travel, or even use on a boat. This compact fridge uses a powerful compressor system to keep your food and drinks at the right temperature, ranging from 4F to 68F. That means it can function as both a refrigerator and a freezer, giving you flexibility whether you're storing fresh food, snacks, or frozen items. It supports both 12/24 DC for vehicles and 100 to 240 volts AC for home use, so you can plug it in almost anywhere. Plus, with the built-in app control, you can adjust the temperature and settings right from your smartphone, making it super convenient to manage on the go. The 19-quart capacity provides enough room for essentials without taking up too much space, and its portable design makes it easy to carry and set up wherever you need it. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and travel-friendly fridge/freezer for outdoor adventures or daily convenience, the EUHOMY 12V refrigerator is a great choice. Click the link below for the best price.
Never you,